Most athletes have been awaiting news about when they could return to training within the COVID-19 measures. Chief Executive Officer for Sport, Jason Williams, says they are ready to welcome our athletes back into the facilities.
It's great. We were looking forward to this for quite a long while. We have been preparing for the athletes to come back out. We've been sanitizing the facilities. We've been developing policies for usage with taking into consideration the guidelines of the World Health Organization and the Ministry of Health. So we are ready and we're excited to have them back on board.
While the focus this time is on competitive sport, the younger athletes will get their chance to use the facilities in due course.
I think it's going to be phased. I think when we went into the initial lockdown in March, April, we had phased usage as well. We focused on the national athletes preparing for the Olympic Games. The Olympics has since been deferred to 2021. And I think the first step is to get back to that particular level with those athletes coming out to train. And we look forward to the next couple of weeks with further announcements. One, things remain promising, where sport in general could resume totally.
He stressed that the NSOs must ensure that their athletes understand that there is no change to the protocols which allows them back into the facilities.
The onus is on them as well. It's personal hygiene, it's complying with sport guidelines with the Ministry of Health. We have been in partnership with the Ministry of Health since March in developing a return to sport a policy. And we need to follow that. We need the NGBs to also reinforce that message with their athletes as well.
Volleyball was amongst the first disciplines to be welcomed back into the cycling velodrome recently as they prepare for international competition early in the new year. Kent Fuentes, TTT Sports.